Good evening from Hackensack. Tonight I'm making a simple but appealing recipe, spaghetti with garlic and oil. And I have the water boiling. It's a 10-minute cooking time for this gluten-free pasta. And when I put it in, I'll start the garlic and oil. So I bought this gluten-free pasta to see what it was all about. I don't have celiac disease. I eat plenty of gluten, but it turns out that gluten-free pasta has about the same amount of carbohydrates as regular pasta. So I'm going to use all this. I pre-sliced the garlic and oil, and add a little red pepper to that. But gluten also contributes to constipation. I didn't know that. So I'm using this gluten-free pasta tonight. It costs about twice as much as organic conventional pasta, and tends to stick together. So we'll see how it goes tonight. I don't have too many hopes for this. Next time I'll try it with organic spaghetti, conventional spaghetti, see how it's sticking together. But I'm going to follow through. So normally you'd heat up the garlic until it's fragrant, and then ladle some pasta water in here, add the pasta, and finish cooking it in the pan. But tonight I'm going to be using some leftover sauce. This is leftover sauce, my own marinara I made with organic diced tomatoes, red wine, and anchovies for a big pot of pasta with cod loin. So I poached the cod loin, cut the cod loin into small pieces and poached it in this marinara, and then added some small twisted pasta called cassarecce. The garlic and oil with spaghetti recipe has very few ingredients. Oil, garlic, and the pasta, and the pasta water. And then you add some chopped fresh parsley and plenty of grated cheese, and that's it. I'm going to reserve some of the pasta water just in case I don't have enough sauce, but I think I have plenty. 10-minute cooking time, so after 8 minutes I'm going to pull it out and then finish cooking it in the sauce, the extra virgin olive oil and the garlic. So miraculously the pasta unstuck itself. After 8 minutes I'm putting it in here and finishing it off. Finish cooking it in the sauce. Okay, when the timer went off for 10 minutes, I stopped cooking the pasta in the sauce. I just tasted some of it. It's al dente, perfect. So let's put some cheese on it. So here it is, spaghetti with garlic and oil, and a little leftover tomato sauce. Parmesan cheese, chopped parsley. It's al dente. I tried some. Just what the doctor ordered if you have constipation. Enjoy.